Maths classes with a new topic 3D surface area, where we are focusing more on the cylinder, cone and sphere. Another topic in our revision booklet. So let's get started. So today we are going to talk about and focus more on the cylinders in the first topic. So we know the surface area is the total area of all the exposed outer surface of an object. It is like a skin that covers and protects the object. So normally the cylinder is not a prism. Always remember that, because we don't have a polygon on the as a base of the cylinder. That's why it is not considered as a prism. So although it behaves like a prism when we are calculating its volume and surface area. So let's see how the cylinder works for us. So surface area of a shape is the total area for all its shapes. To calculate the total surface area, always remember, work out the areas of every face and add them together. Now let's see how we're going to work here. So as this is my shape, so I can see there are two circles and one rectangle. So this is my area of a top circle, which is pi r square, and the area of a bottom circle, again pi r square. Both of them you have to work out. Then is the rectangle, which is remaining. So this is my height and that's my circumference, which is my pi d. And you need to add this also into the shape, which is so the total surface area of the cylinder will become as a 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So we are taking the height and length of the rectangle as well here. To understand more of these kind of questions, let's take this example. Now calculate the surface area of the cylinder. Give your answer to correct one decimal place. As per the information, top pi r square, which is 12.566, bottom pi r square again 12.566, and the label, okay, which is going to be pi times r times h is 75.398, and the answer, if you add them together, will be 100.5 centimeters square. Let's take this exam type question. A solid cylinder has a radius of 5.1 centimeter and a height of 3.7 centimeter. Work out the total surface area of a cylinder and give your answer to three significant figures. As per the information given earlier, also we have 3 steps to find out the surface area of this cylindrical shape. Now, the first shape is my circle, which I'll give the name as a shape 1. And find out the area of shape 1, which is pi r square. Okay, substitute my values and get the final answer. Now after that, I need to find out the answer for the bottom part also. And what I need to do, I just need to multiply this by 2, the shape 1, multiply by 2, I'll get the shape 3. And the answer will be 163.5256498. Now I need to find out the area of the shape 2, which is my rectangle. 2 pi r times h, which is like this, 118.5637067, and now I have to add all the information together to get the final answer for my shape. And this is how I'm going to write my answer. As the answer is asking to 3 significant figures, I will leave my answer as 282 centimeters square to 3 significant figures. So whenever we are working with the surface area of a cone, the surface area of a cone, the formula is pi r square plus pi rl. Now here pi r square is the area of base and the pi rl is the curved surface area. You get bit of this information in the exam, okay? And if I'll take the example, always remember that sometimes we need to calculate L first. So for example, you have been given the shape and you need to figure out the area of this. So what I'll do, I'll use my Pythagoras theorem to find out the, as I can see, it's a right angle triangle given to me. Now I need to find the hypotenuse. I need to use Pythagoras theorem, and the answer will be 7.211 and so on. And then substitute my value as per the information given to me and start finding the answer, which is 140.9 centimeters square as a area of a cone. Let's take this example. It's an exam type question. The diagram shows a solid cone and the base of the cone is a horizontal circle, center O, with a radius of 4.5 centimeter. AB is a diameter of the base and OV is a vertical height of a cone. Now the curved surface area is already been given as the area is already given, which is 130 centimeters square, and I need to calculate the size of the angle ABB. Now I have to give my answer, final answer, to the 1 decimal place. So curved surface area is like, curved surface is already given as 130 and my radius is already given as 4.5. So I'll substitute my values and start changing the sides. 30 divided by pi times 4.5 is going to give me my VA is the length, and then the answer is for 9.1956. Now as we know that whenever we are finding the angle of any triangle and it is a right angle triangle, we follow trigonometry. And as per this question, if I have to find this triangle AVO, what I need to see is what angle I'm checking. So angle V I have to find out, and now I have to check what information is given to me and what information I already have. So I have VA, which is 9.1956, and I have a radius which is 4.5 centimeter. As per this, I can see I have to use sin, so I will cross these two and use the sin. As per the sin formula, I'll start substituting my values and start calculating the answer. In that case, the answer for my x, which is angle V, is 29.29881916. And as I'm looking at the angle AVB as a whole angle V, I need to times it by 2 and then get the answer, which is 58.6 degree to the 1 decimal place. So next is surface area of a sphere, and the formula is 4 pi r square. Now calculate the surface area of the sphere below. So this is the question given to us. Now a sphere shape is a three-dimensional shape where every point of its surface is equidistant. Okay, and equidistance means the same distance from the center of the sphere. The distance from the center of the sphere of its surface is called as a radius. Okay, so the 8 centimeter which is given here is the radius of the sphere. A sphere has no vertices, remember that. Okay, so if I have to calculate the answer for this question, what I'll do, surface area as per the formula given to me, I will start substituting my values, 4 times pi times 8 square, and the answer will be 804.2 centimeters square. So this is the answer for me. All right, let's take an example, exam type example, as this is the question given to us in the exam, and we need to find the surface area of cube and the sphere. Now, and I have to leave my answer into square root k pi, where k is an integer. So let's see. So sphere is my square is like, you know, x centimeter is given, so it has a 6 faces. So the I'll do, the surface area of cube will become 6x square, as x is not given to me, so I'll leave it here. And then surface area of the sphere as per the formula given, pi 4 pi r square, and I'll start substituting my values and get to the final answer. Now I need to figure out and find out the answer as x is equal to square root k pi, and k is my integer, so it means it is trying to say my area of the cube is equal to the area of a sphere. How I'm going to show it, that x square is equal to 36 pi, and if I divide 36 by 6, it means x square is equal to 6 pi, and opposite to the square is always a square root, so answer will be square root 6 pi, and this is how I need to do my answer. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember to always break down the problems using logical and critical thinking. Okay, and check your work. Whenever you are completing your paper, make sure you are referring it back and you are rechecking your paper again and again. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to tackle similar problems, okay, more and more, so that it gives you a confidence in you. If you have any further question or need help with the specific problems, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And thank you again. We will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.